quad camera and screen with a central hole. Samsung Galaxy A51 on high quality renderings. The OnLeaks resource, which quite often publishes reliable information about the latest in the mobile industry, in collaboration with Price Baba, has unveiled high-quality renderings of the mid-range smartphone Samsung Galaxy A51. We have already reported on the preparation of the named apparatus. As you can see in the images presented, the novelty is equipped with a holy screen. The hole for the selfie camera is located in the center in the upper area of the display. New data indicate the use of a 32 megapixel sensor as a part of the front camera. In the back of the case, there is a quadruple main camera. It combines a 48 megapixel main sensor, 2 units with 12 megapixel sensors, and a 5 megapixel module to obtain information about the depth of the scene. There is an LED flash. The smartphone is credited with the presence of a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus screen and a proprietary Exynos 9611 processor. The amount of RAM will be at least 4 GB. The capacity of flash drive is 64 and 128 GB. The dimension of the device are indicated 158.4 by 73.7 by 7.9 mm. The equipment includes a symmetrical USB Type-C port, a 3.5 mm headphone jack, and a 4000 mAh battery. The smartphone will come with Android 10 operating system, supplemented by the proprietary add-in One UI 2.0. The exact release date and price of this smartphone are not officially disclosed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care, bye bye.